Alright, we have some kind of weird problem with this thing. It's booting, but there's no mouse. There's no nothing. Noticed this a couple of times. I'm not sure what's going on here. I mean, the computer is up and running, but I'm wondering if I have this plugged into the USB 3.0 ports. Maybe there's no driver. So it does look like that's the case. I seem to be having USB issues with this thing. You see they're working now. So, as much as I like this mouse, I'm probably going to stop using it. Probably start using this one. I just tired of the cord getting caught and everything. I don't know. So I want to try something else. Let's go ahead and move this. There seems to be a problem with all of the blue ports. And then now that one works. Alright, I don't know what's up with that. These two are not working. They're actually a different color blue. Okay. I'm gonna plug it back in up there. I can't explain what the hell the problem is. If you guys know, let me know. Let me see here. So, we're looking at, they say SS10 USB 3.1. So the 3.1 versus the 3.0, and then also I've had problems with the ones in the front, which are these kind. Those might just be broken.